Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Science and Math with Gerald. Today we will be continuing the series, the fourth part of my series Mathemagic of the week and the fourth video in this series of multiplication. In the last video I taught you all multiplication of numbers that are close to 100. Similar trick will be used and today we will see multiplication of numbers that are close to 1000. And for that we have two types of numbers that are close to 1000. Ones which are smaller than 1000, for example 9998, 99, 98, 97. So all these numbers are close to 1000 which are smaller than 1000. And similarly you can see some numbers of here which are greater than 1000 and close to 1000. So let us see how this is done. Similar tricks that were used for multiplication of numbers close to 100. Let us move forward. So let us take two numbers. I will say 998 multiplied by 995. The two numbers are 998 and 995. So let us see what exactly do I have to do. First thing that I do is I subtract the number from 1000. So I'll take 1000 over here and 1000 over here. So subtraction has to be done, which will give me 2. Now 1000 minus 998 will give me 2, and similarly 1000 minus 995 will give me 5. These are my two numbers. Now cross subtraction. Either I have to subtract these two numbers or I have to subtract these two numbers. So 998 minus 5 or 995 minus 2, which will give me 993, also 993. So from the next term onwards, we'll just do one of the either. Now I have 993, which will be in my answer. So my first three digits of the answer will be 993. And the next thing that we did in the previous method, that was multiplying the two numbers. So now if I multiply the two numbers, 2 into 5 will give me 10. But all my numbers are 3-digit numbers. The multiplication that I am doing is a 3-digit number. So I just can't write 10. So I will write 0 and 10, which will have a 3-digit number at the end. So this you can cross verify by calculating it on the calculator, or by normal method of calculation. You will find the answer 993,010. This is my answer of multiplication of 995 multiplied by 998. Let us see one more example for the same. So the next two numbers that I will take are 993, which will be multiplied by, let us say, 985. So I will take a little bit smaller number. Now subtracting them from 1000, so minus 1000 minus 993. Similarly 1000 minus 985. Now 1000 minus 993 will give me 7, and 1000 minus 985 will give me 15. So now I will subtract the two numbers. So 993 minus 15. As I told you earlier, we will do only one, because either way I will have the same answer. So subtracting this, I will get 93 minus 15 will give me 78. So 978 will be my first three digits of the answer. Next thing that I do is I multiply the two numbers. So this multiplied by this. 7 into 15 gives me 105. And that will be my last three digits of the answer that I want, that is over here. So this is how the answer for numbers smaller than 1000, close to 1000 are formed. So very simple method, similar to 1000. Only difference is that the answer should have at least 6 digits. Because we are multiplying two 3-digit numbers, so here I will have at least 6-digit numbers as my answer. So that when you get 2 digits after multiplication, all you have to do is you have to add 0 in the fourth place of the answer, as we did the first short example. Now let us move on to the second part of the video, second section, that is number which are greater than 1000. So let us see. Well, let us take two numbers 1003 multiplied by 1004. First we will start with smaller numbers. The next example I will take is a larger number. In between there will be some numbers displayed on the screen. These numbers I request you all to solve the numbers so that you can use the trick that I am using, that will help you all practice the methods. So 2 questions will be given to you all and the answer to those questions are being displayed at the end of the video. So here are the 2 questions on the screen which will be seen in between the video. So now the 2 numbers that I have are 1003 and 1004. Now let us move forward. So in this part I have to do the exact opposite of what we did here. This number I have to minus 1000 from this number. So I will subtract 1000. So all I get is 3 and here I will get is 4. Here we subtracted the 2 numbers, this number minus this number. Now here I will add the 2 numbers. So this number and this number will be added. So 1003 plus 4 or 1004 plus 3. Either adding these 2 numbers or adding the previous 2 numbers, which will give me 1007 and here also 1007. So we can either use 1 only, we don't have to solve both the parts. So 1007 will be my first part of the answer. Now moving on to the second part, where we multiplied similarly 3 into 4 will give me 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number, so make it 3-digit number by giving a 0 to it. So 0 and then 12. This is my multiplication answer for the numbers 1003 multiplied by 1004. This is how multiplication of numbers bigger than 1000 is done. Let us see one more example for the same, which will help you all understand the method better. A little bit bigger numbers will be considered. The next examples that I am taking is 1008 and the next number that I will take is 1017. Let us say 1017. Very simple. First step always the same, 1000 minus 1000. So here I have is 8 and here I will have is 70. Next thing that I do is I subtract 1017 minus 8, which will give me 1009. No, we have to add the 2 numbers. So that is the mistake that I did. So 1017 plus 8 is to be done, which will give me answer that is 1025. So 1017 plus 8, that is this. So I am adding the 2 numbers. When we are bigger than 1000, we have to add. When we have numbers smaller than 1000, we have to subtract. Similar thing applies to hundreds. So smaller than 100, subtract, bigger than 100, add. So addition will give me the first 4 digits of my answer, 1025. And the next thing that I do is I multiply the 2 numbers 8 into 17. So when multiplying 8 into 17, I will get 136, which will be my final 3 digits of the answer. So this will be my answer for numbers 1008 multiplied by 1017. That is how multiplication of numbers close to 1000 is done. Both the methods are explained: smaller than 1000, bigger than 1000. Subtraction, addition, other everything is same, similar to what we did in the previous video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you get the notification of next such videos that I upload with more and more amazing tricks. In the next video, we will see squares of numbers that are from 1001 to 1030. Similar trick will be used to find the squares of numbers between 1001 to 1030. So see you in the next week's Magic of the Week video so that you find out the trick that is in front of you.